At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for your YouTube channel is a smart move as it can provide legal protection for your personal assets and offer certain tax benefits. Here's a general guide on how to do it. 1. Research and plan. Before diving in, do some research to understand the legal and tax implications of forming an LLC. Consider consulting with a lawyer or tax professional who can provide personalized advice based on your specific circumstances. 2. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC that is not already in use by another business in your state. You can check the availability of your desired name through your State Secretary of State website. 3. File Articles of Organization. This is the official document you need to file with your State Secretary of State office to register your LLC. You'll need to provide information such as the name of your LLC, its purpose, the names and addresses of the members, owners, and a registered agent who can receive legal documents on behalf of the LLC. 4. Create an operating agreement. Although not always required by law, an operating agreement is a crucial document that outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, and operating procedures of your LLC. It's highly recommended to have one to clarify the rights and obligations of the members. 5. Obtain an EIN. An employer identification number, EIN, is like a social security number for your business. You'll need an EIN for various purposes such as opening a business bank account, hiring employees, and filing taxes. You can obtain an EIN for free from the IRS website. 6. Comply with tax and regulatory requirements. Depending on your location and the nature of your business, you may need to obtain business licenses or permits at the local, state, or federal level. Additionally, make sure to comply with tax obligations such as registering for state and local taxes and filing tax returns. 7. Separate business and personal finances. It's important to keep your personal and business finances separate to maintain the liability protection afforded by the LLC. Open a business bank account and use it exclusively for your YouTube channel's income and expenses. 8. Maintain compliance. Once your LLC is set up, make sure to fulfill ongoing compliance requirements such as filing annual reports, paying taxes, and renewing licenses or permits as necessary. Remember, the specific steps and requirements for setting up an LLC can vary by state, so it's essential to research the regulations in your jurisdiction or consult with a professional to ensure compliance with all legal and tax obligations. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.